We're back now with Angie Horkin for the Wisconsin Beef Council. We're all about Smashburgers in May, and it's a big month.
It is. May is Beef Month in Wisconsin, and it's National Burger Month. So I thought, let's talk Smashburgers.
Why not?
Why not? I usually always grill burgers this time of year for Beef Month to kind of kick off grilling season, but we'll cover that next month. I really wanted to do these Smashburgers.
And you have a little bit of a new take on one today, too.
They're so trendy. They're so easy. Need a hot skillet or a griddle. You can still do them outside on the patio. But yeah, this one's a Caprese Smashburger.
Yum.
All the other Smashburger recipes I found had fried onions.
Oh, interesting.
So yeah, so this one does not. We're gonna take the beautiful Caprese salad. Here, can you hold that for one second?
Sure can.
And turn it into the Smashburger. So I've got a pound of ground beef, and I actually bought a little bit of higher fat content. I bought like an 85-15.
I feel like it makes a better burger that way, right?
It does. Well, yeah, it's kind of, you get all that flavor. Fat is flavor. Then I'm just gonna do some kosher salt and pepper.
Okay.
And I took the pound of beef and I didn't patty it. I made these big round balls because we're gonna put these in the hot skillet and just smash them. So I'm gonna put the...
Where the Smashburger comes from?
Smash comes from. So I'm gonna put the salt and pepper side down. And we'll just let this sear just a little bit. Then we'll put a little bit more salt and pepper on. Because this recipe does not have many ingredients. It's kind of like your traditional Caprese. You get your flavor from your fresh tomato, your fresh basil, your mozzarella, and then of course the hot beef. So give it like 10 seconds, 20 seconds, and then take kind of a nice spatula. I do a little leverage with my wood spatula.
And smash.
Smash it. Now you do lose a little bit of your juiciness, your juice out of your burger. So starting with that higher fat content kind of helps you have a really good juicy Smashburger when you're all done.
Okay.
So let these go about 1 to 2 minutes. Now these do cook a lot faster because
it seems fast.
They're getting done a lot quicker. And like food service here in Wisconsin, some of our most favorite restaurants, they do Smashburgers. So now we're kind of taking that trend and we're doing it at home. Yeah, give it 2 minutes at home. Give them a flip. I got them nice and flat. Got that sear on there. Then we'll give them another 2 minutes. You can always check them with your meat thermometer too. If you don't get them super smashed enough.
They look so good.
Can even go back and smash them a little bit more, but yeah, they're gonna be nice and juicy even though we smash them, because I do tell people when you're grilling burgers, don't smash them on the grill. And now do as I say here, not as I do, right? Okay, and then I've got some fresh mozzarella.
Oh, that looks delicious.
They're real small slices, so I'm gonna do 2 on each.
Because we live in Wisconsin, it's got to be cheesy.
We got cheese in our Smashburgers. Heck yeah, baby. Now this one too has a little bit different bun. I just bought a loaf of Italian bread.
I love that.
And I toasted it up. You could definitely throw it on your griddle or in your pan before you do your burgers. But yeah, so we'll just pull our tops off. And then our Caprese burger is gonna go right on there. After it's good and cooked through at home. We'll do this.
Yum.
And then we're gonna top with fresh tomato and then some fresh basil. I guess the one thing I don't have here is that it doesn't call for like a balsamic, Caprese has the balsamic oil, like I love a balsamic glaze. It doesn't call for that, but there's no reason not to.
So if you could add that.
If you've got it, yeah. So do this. Getting into tomato season, this will be perfect later in the summer if you
this is perfect.
hit the farmer's markets or if you have a garden and you need something to do with, all your tomatoes.
Greens on there.
There you go, look at that. So kind of a real fresh, light, non-traditional Smashburger. Our Caprese Smashburger melt served on Italian bread. Head to beeftips.com, the Wisconsin Beef Council website. Click on As Seen on TV like you always do, and you'll find all of our Smashburger recipes, links to all of our burger recipes, our Grill Like You Mean It page, getting you ready for summer.
I love it. Perfect timing.
Yeah.
Angie, thank you. We appreciate it.